One of the things I like to encourage when somebody contacts me for a coating, I like the idea of having the entire car coated. The reason is because it gives you the most peace of mind. And for me, that's kind of when I'm driving my vehicle, it gets dirty, time has passed. I don't have a lot of time to clean my own vehicle. It's ceramic coated. That's for me, that's the biggest thing. That's the biggest draw. It's all about the peace of mind protection. Using a silicon carbide coating, both for the interior exterior, for me is peace of mind, knowing that you're going to have the peace of mind having the most durable coating on the market. Silicon dioxide coatings are great. They have their place. They're far better than waxes or sealants. But at the king or at the top of the hill, at the peak, is a silicon carbide coating. Very few use that technology. Most are using silicon dioxide. That's fine. If you have a silicon dioxide coating, you might not even know or really bother to try to. That's okay. Don't worry about that. I want you to have the peace of mind knowing both your interior and your exterior are protected. Okay, maybe you don't need your vehicle ceramic coated. Maybe your vehicle sits in the garage and you never drive it. Maybe you don't drive through a bunch of bugs in the summer. Maybe you don't drive long distance or commute. Maybe nobody is in your vehicle, so why get it coated? Yeah, possible. Then don't get it coated. You don't need it. So if you want preservation, protection, peace of mind, choose me. If you don't want those things, then keep doing whatever it is you're doing, and I will wish you the best of luck. If you need any help, reach out, give me a call. You can text our shop number. You can leave a comment in this video. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.